this is your friend Sakun. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today I am going to show you how to draw the picture of Ma Saraswati through very easy steps. So let's start the main drawing.
At first, you will draw a straight line. Then you will draw its look like a A. Then you will complete the face with shape of U. Then you have to complete the neck. Okay. Now just draw shoulder. Also you have to draw another a big U shape. Also you will draw here an oval shape. Draw here an oval shape. Now you will complete the upper portion and draw again an oval shape. Also you have to complete the another leg. Okay, now we will complete her Bina. See, it's look like a D. Now you have to complete the hands. See, just follow the measurement properly, because if you want to draw this drawing properly, you have to follow the measurement properly. See, here I am showing very easy steps. I am using some geometrical shapes and some letters, and I am sure that if you follow me properly, then you can draw this drawing very easily. Just see the process. Also you have to complete here ornaments. And her stage. See the shape. I have shown the process very easily. You can draw this drawing very easily. Now do more detailing. Also you have to complete her face properly and ornaments. Also her hair. So do more detailing and complete the drawing. After complete the drawing, we will use black color sketch pen and pencil sketch, also charcoal. Now we will use black color sketch pen.
So friends, if you like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.